In this video, we will see how to type the solution of this equation by using MS Word. So here in search window, when we click, we can directly get Word 2016. Then here we have to open a blank document. Once we open the blank document, we can start writing our solution. Now if it is a normal typing, we can simply proceed writing. But here it involves the mathematical symbol. So to do that, we go to the option Insert, Equation. So once we click on Equation, this ribbon will appear, which shows various mathematical operators. Like we can see here fractions, derivatives, okay. We have the script, which includes superscript, subscript. We have radicals, which include square root and other powers, integration. We have summation, we have different kind of brackets, we have trigonometric functions, we have log function and limit function here, log to the base 10 and log to different bases, and the matrices, okay. And we do have these operators to use with, like if we need the notation pi, it is here. If we need theta, it is over here, okay. So let's start writing the solution. Now it is fraction of two terms. So we go to the fraction first, select the very first fraction. Now inside the fraction, the numerator include x power 2, which is a script one. So we will select here first one, x. Now we use normal keyboard to type it, x, and then click there to get power 2. Then just move the arrow and then minus 5x. We can type this simply by using the keyboard and then divide by 2, okay. Then this is equal minus 3. So we type the question. Now when we are solving it, we know that the next step is we have to take 2 on the right hand side. So let's type it again. Type equation here. Now once 2 is moved to the other side, it will be no longer division, the quotient. So it will be just simply the term x power 2 minus 5x equal minus 3 multiply 2 gives you minus 6. Okay. In the next step, what it will be, 6 will be moving to the other side. So either you follow the same way, go to insert equation and type it, or now we know that there will not be more changes in this. So we simply copy this equation and paste it. Right click, paste. In pasting, you have to select the first option, keep source formatting. Okay, so what will be the change in the solution step? It will be plus 6 equal 0 and then enter. Okay, and then we know that the solution will be, what are the factors? 2 and 3. So we will put the solution as first use equation, then bracket x minus 2, x minus 3 equal to 0. These are the factors. And then values, x is equal to 2 and 3. So it's okay, you can type this thing without using equation editor, or you can type it by using equation editor. Now the thing is that how do we transfer this solution into the Moodle page? So for that, what you have to do, on your keyboard you will find an option of print screen. So just click on it. When we press print screen button, the screen is captured. Okay, so once it is captured, go here to the question and then here right click, paste. So see, when we paste it, all the solution came. External window will also appear. No need to worry about it as long as it covers your entire solution. And after that, you can save your work. Okay, and then you can move to the next question. Okay, so now if suppose your solution is not covered into that portion, you can enlarge your window and complete all the solution step. You can adjust the space here while taking print screen so that all the solution will be covered in one window, one screen. Okay, that's it.